Hey everyone, this is Hope. Welcome back to the channel. Today let's talk on how Apple continues to redefine the smartphone landscape, and today we're diving into the iPhone 15 and iPhone 16. These phones represent the pinnacle of Apple's engineering and design prowess. Before then, do not forget to share, like, comment and subscribe. Also hit on the notification bell to be informed next time we post. We'll break down each model, exploring their strengths and weaknesses. By the end, you'll know exactly which iPhone fits your needs. Released in 2023, the iPhone 15 series made waves with its innovative features. Even in 2025, these phones remain relevant and powerful options. The A17 Bionic chip delivers smooth performance for everyday tasks and demanding apps. If you're on a budget or don't need the absolute latest features, the iPhone 15 series is worth considering. The iPhone 15 Pro stands out with its premium titanium finish. This lightweight yet durable material gives it a luxurious feel. Both the iPhone 15 and 15 Pro boast stunning Super Retina XDR OLED displays. The vibrant colors and deep blacks make everything from browsing photos to watching videos a treat. And with ceramic shield glass, you get exceptional durability and scratch resistance. Under the hood, the A17 Bionic chip ensures a buttery smooth user experience. Apps launch quickly, games run flawlessly, and multitasking is a breeze. The iPhone 15 Pro takes mobile photography to the next level with its impressive camera system. The 48-megapixel main camera captures stunning detail, while the 3x zoom lens lets you get closer to the action. Section 5. The USB-C revolution. One of the biggest changes in the iPhone 15 series was the transition to a USB-C port. This universal standard offers faster data transfer speeds and wider compatibility with chargers and accessories. This move was praised by users and tech reviewers alike, simplifying connectivity and streamlining the Apple ecosystem. Section 6, iPhone 16 and 16 Pro, a new era. The iPhone 16 series marks a significant leap forward in smartphone technology, setting new standards for innovation and user experience. Late 2024 saw the arrival of the iPhone 16 series pushing the boundaries of smartphone technology even further. With its sleek futuristic design and cutting-edge technology, the iPhone 16 series is not just a phone, it's a glimpse into the future. Apple has once again proven its ability to innovate and lead the market. The star of the show is undoubtedly Apple Intelligence, a suite of AI-powered features that promise to revolutionize how we interact with our phones. This advanced AI system is designed to understand and anticipate your needs, making your smartphone experience more intuitive and personalized than ever before. Imagine a phone that not only responds to your commands but also predicts what you need before you even ask. From composing emails to summarizing meetings, Apple Intelligence aims to make our lives easier and more efficient. It can draft emails based on your voice commands, summarize lengthy documents, and even schedule your appointments seamlessly. The AI is also integrated with other Apple services, providing a cohesive and unified user experience. This is not just an upgrade. It's a transformation in how we use technology in our daily lives. The iPhone 16 series also boasts an impressive camera system featuring advanced computational photography techniques. With higher resolution sensors and improved low-light performance, capturing stunning photos and videos has never been easier. The new camera features are designed to work seamlessly with Apple Intelligence, offering suggestions for the best shots and automatically enhancing your photos. Battery life has also seen a significant improvement, ensuring that your phone can keep up with your busy lifestyle. Whether you're using it for work, entertainment, or staying connected with loved ones, the iPhone 16 series is built to last all day and then some. This is a new era of smartphones, where technology and intelligence come together to create an unparalleled user experience. Section 7. A larger display and enhanced performance. The iPhone 16 Pro boasts a larger 6.3-inch display, which is a significant upgrade from its predecessor. This new display size not only enhances the overall aesthetic of the device but also provides users with more screen real estate to enjoy their favorite content. Whether you're watching a movie, playing a game, or simply browsing the web, the larger display ensures that everything looks more vibrant and detailed, offering an even more immersive viewing experience. This makes watching videos, playing games, and browsing content even more enjoyable. The edge-to-edge design and improved resolution mean that colors are more vivid and images are sharper. The display also supports HDR10, which brings a new level of realism to your viewing experience. Imagine watching your favorite shows with deeper blacks and brighter whites, making every scene come to life, and browsing content even more enjoyable. The larger display also means that multitasking is more efficient. You can easily split the screen to run two apps side by side, making it perfect for productivity on the go. Whether you're replying to emails while watching a video or taking notes during a video call, the iPhone 16 Pro's display makes it all possible. Powering this technological marvel is the A18 Bionic chip, which is designed to handle the most demanding tasks with ease. This chip is not just about raw power, it's also about efficiency. The A18 Bionic chip ensures that your iPhone runs smoothly, whether you're playing graphics-intensive games, editing videos, or running multiple apps simultaneously. A significant leap forward in processing power, the A18 Bionic chip features a new architecture that improves performance while reducing power consumption. This means that you get more done without draining your battery. The chip also includes a new neural engine that enhances machine learning capabilities, making your iPhone smarter and more responsive. With a 30% increase in speed, the iPhone 16 Pro is faster than ever before. This speed boost is noticeable in everyday tasks, from launching apps to browsing the web. But it's not just about speed, it's about the overall experience. The A18 Bionic chip ensures that everything you do on your iPhone is smooth and seamless. The iPhone 16 Pro handles demanding tasks effortlessly. Whether you're a professional who needs a reliable device for work or a gamer who wants the best performance, the iPhone 16 Pro delivers. Its combination of a larger display and enhanced performance makes it the perfect choice for anyone looking for a top-of-the-line smartphone. Section 8. Apple Intelligence. A glimpse into the future. Apple Intelligence is still under development, but it's already showing great promise. Imagine dictating an email and having Apple Intelligence automatically correct your grammar and suggest relevant attachments, or picture yourself in a meeting with Apple Intelligence transcribing the conversation and providing a summary afterward. These are just a few examples of how Apple Intelligence could transform our daily lives. Section 9. Which iPhone is right for you? So which iPhone should you choose? With so many models available, it can be overwhelming to decide which one is the best fit for you. Let's break it down to help you make an informed decision. If you're looking for the absolute best performance and cutting-edge features, the iPhone 16 Pro is the clear winner. It boasts the latest A16 Bionic chip, an advanced camera system, and a stunning promotion display that makes everything look incredibly smooth. Whether you're into gaming, photography, or just want the fastest phone on the market, the iPhone 16 Pro has you covered. However, the iPhone 15 series still holds its own, offering exceptional value and a premium experience at a more affordable price point. The iPhone 15 comes with a powerful A15 Bionic chip, a fantastic camera setup, and a beautiful OLED display. It's perfect for everyday use, whether you're browsing social media, streaming videos, or taking photos. Plus, it has great battery life to keep you going all day. Ultimately, the best iPhone for you depends on your individual needs, budget, and how much you value having the latest and greatest technology. If you need the most advanced features and are willing to pay a premium, the iPhone 16 Pro is the way to go. But if you're looking for a high-quality phone that offers excellent performance without breaking the bank, the iPhone 15 series is a fantastic choice. Consider what features are most important to you, such as camera quality, battery life, and display technology, and choose the iPhone that best meets your needs. Remember, no matter which model you choose, you're getting a device that's built to last and designed to provide a seamless, enjoyable user experience. If this video was helpful, do not forget to subscribe and hit on the notification bell for more updates, and also share this video as a means of supporting this channel. Thanks, and see you in the next video.